Good morning, everybody. It's your favorite time, 8th grade students. In 7th grade, it's about to be your favorite time as well. I'm Miss Richard, and we're going to do the Math Minute. So today, I'm going to talk to you about how to multiply fractions. I got a sweet song for you. You can remember it if you're in 7th grade all the way through algebra. When you multiply fractions, you must multiply in fractions. Hey, no problem. It's the top times the top and the bottom times the bottom. I'm going to do that one more time for you. Keep it up. And if you see me in the hall, we'll sing it together. Multiplying fractions, hey, no problem. It's the top times the top and the bottom times the bottom. Now, your other favorite moment is the math question of the day. If you can solve this question and find me in the hall with your work included, I'll give you a prize from the big old apple, a candy prize. So again, if you can solve for X and show your work when you find me on Friday, I will give you a prize. Have a great day. Thanks. Hey, 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 it's your favorite time of day. It's the Math Minute with Miss Richard. Today, I'm going to talk to you, or actually, we're going to sing a song about how to solve equations. So, here we go. When you solve two-step equations, add, subtract, add, subtract, add, subtract, add, subtract, multiply or divide, now solve, now solve, now solve, now solve, now check it by yourself, now check it by yourself. I know you know that tune. I'm going to sing it one more time for you. To solve equations, you got to, when you solve two-step equations, add, subtract, add, subtract, add, subtract, add, subtract, multiply or divide, now solve, now solve, now solve, now solve, now check it by yourself, now check it by yourself. All right, now, using that song, go ahead and solve for X. Remember, when you find me, I'm going to ask to see your work, so make sure you've got it. And then you can get some candy out of the bucket. Remember, no work, no candy. You guys have an amazing day. Thanks so much. Hey, 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 it's your favorite time of day again. It's time for the Math Minute. I'm Miss Richard, and this goes out to all my 7th graders out there. Today, you're going to be learning about proportions and proportionality. So here's a quick song to help you remember. Solve in proportions, I'll get a high five if I cross multiply and then divide. Solve in proportions, I'll get a high five when I cross multiply and then divide. All right, now it's your favorite time of day again. I would like for you guys to solve for X. Make sure that you have work to back up your number or your solution, okay? Make sure that you have work to back up your solution. Find me along with your work. Find me around the school. I'll be walking around today with a big red apple filled with candy. Have a great one, and thanks again. Good morning. It's your favorite time of day again. I'm Miss Richard, and we're going to sing a song for the Math Minute. Today, this goes out to 7th and 8th graders. You guys are learning the same concept. So we're going to be singing and finding the constant of proportionality in 7th grade or direct variation in 8th grade. To find it, it's really easy, and I'm going to need your help. Here we go. To find the K, you do Y divided by X. To find the K, you do Y divided by X. To find the constant of proportionality, you do Y divided by X. You do Y divided by X. Now, using that, I need you to tell me what is the K from this table. Remember, you have got to show work to receive credit. I'll be walking around with a skeleton or an apple, just depends. Have a great one. Thanks again. Hey everybody, it's your favorite time of day again. It's the Math Minute. And guess what? This is the 10 times 10 episode. That means it's the 100th episode. Can you believe it already? Now, today we're going to talk about how to convert a decimal to a percent or a percent to a decimal. To get a decimal to a percent, we got to move 1, 2. We got to move 2 to the right, 2 to the right. And if I'm doing a percent to a decimal, I got to do 2 to the left, 2 to the left. Dr. Pepper style. That's right. Remember, 2 to the left or 2 to the right. That's how you'll do it. And remember, Dr. Pepper style. That's the easiest way to help you remember. So, Today, I want you to convert 8.25% to a decimal. Remember, you must show me work to receive credit. Don't just yell out the answer. Show me your work, and I'll give you a special prize and treat. Again, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Hey math scholars, it's your favorite time of day. It's the Math Minute. Today I'm going to talk to you about circles and specifically how to find the area of them. So I'm going to be recruiting all of you to be pirates like me. Pirates, you might say, why a pirate? Well, it's actually pretty easy. If we look at the formula for the area of a circle, it's pi r squared. And that 2, little 2 right there, is an exponent, which means it's pi times r times r. No, wait, stop. Pi times r, you say? Pi times r times r, pi times r times r. The area of a circle is pi times r times r. One more time for those of you in the back. Pi times r times r, pi times r times r. The area of a circle is pi times r times r. Now, for all of you, on Friday, come find me. I'm going to quiz you if you can find the area of a circle. If you can, you're going to get some treasure here. Could be a candy, or it could be just a medallion. We'll have to see. The probability may be in your favor. Have a good one, pirates. Pi times r times r. Hey, 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 it's your favorite time again. It's the Math Minute. And I'm shouting out 8th grade. You guys have been fantastic, and you've been asking me, Miss Richard, when are you bringing back the songs? Well, this is a specific song just for you. Also, I want to shout you out because you guys did so well on the CFA. Could not be more proud of you. Well, as you're doing transformations, let's talk about this little Lego man here. What happens if I go from this to this? Oh my gosh, what happened to this little guy? Well, we actually dilated the image, right? So, what in the world does dilation mean? Well, let me help you. Remember, k times x, k times y, dilate means multiply. K times x, k times y, dilate means multiply. K times x, k times y, dilate means multiply. Remember, if it's greater than 1, we make our image bigger. If it's less than 1, we make our image smaller. So remember, dilate is simple. It just means to multiply. Thanks so much. Have a great one.
Okay, 8th graders, it's time to rev your engines and
Start
your essays! If you have a short constructed response, what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to use RACE.
What is RACE, you may ask? RACE is restate, answer, cite, and explain.
If you're doing an extended response,
you need to remember, to win the race, you got to write an essay. Extended equals essay. Extended equals essay. Extended equals essay. And what does that mean? Well, you need to have an intro, a body, and a conclusion.
If you do all this,
you will win that race. We believe in you, and we know you're going to do wonderful on your English Star. Money, 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 money. Get that Starbucks money. Guess what time it is?
It's time to get your money.
Get your money, fan yourself with your money. That's right. Every time you work super hard in class in preparation for STAR, you're going to get some
money. And every time you come to tutorials, you're going to get more money.
So basically, working hard equals
lots of money.
Lots and lots of money. Hey, on Mondays, every Monday, you're going to have the cash-in cart. You're going to see us down in the morning and also
at lunch.
And we will cash in your money for all those prizes that you see on the menu. We appreciate you working so hard. Keep it up. What you doing this Saturday? What you doing this Saturday? Math at Stockton Academy. That's right. Hey, this is the Saturday School for Math, the 27th, tomorrow, and we can't wait to see you here. It's from 9 to noon, and we will be doing Algebra Boot Camp, Pre-Algebra Boot Camp, 7th grade level rotations, and 8th grade level rotations. So all of your math is covered, and we want to help you out and see you here. So that's first on the agenda. Second on the agenda, I'm not going to go ahead and sing a song about a subject, but I am going to sing a song that I know that you will enjoy. First and foremost, to do any form of math, especially when you take the STAR test, take your time, use your formula chart, and have a little confidence. And this is where the song comes in. All you need is confidence, a little thing called confidence. There's no math too intense when you've got what? Confidence. I believe in all of you. I think you're going to do great. Show out, show up. Let's go, Stockton.